Hello everyone, another weekend means another content. In this video we are going to see how the protocols have been splitted based on they are going to use. First, in-vehicle components. What is in-vehicle components? As you can see, there is a vehicle which contains several components like ECUs or the gateway modules or your steering and your brake, accelerator, gear system, everything is there. So the first one will be how one component is going to communicate with other component and what type of protocol it is going to use. The second one, vehicle to nearby accessories. What are nearby accessories? Like if you're going in a vehicle and you're having in your Android phone, how you're going to connect your Android phone to the vehicle? That is comes under the vehicle to nearby accessories. And third one, vehicle telematics to cloud. So how the telematics unit is going to communicate with the cloud and how the cloud will get the data and what the data is going to be usageable for the users will be discussed in coming session. Now let's quickly jump into the segment of the different protocols that the in-vehicle component uses. Example, you are driving in a vehicle at 60 to 70 kilometers per hour. When you apply the brake to reduce the speed of the vehicle will be slowed down. Here, the signal has to pass from braking segment to the engine RPM segment where the speed has to be reduced. So for that, it is going to use the CAN protocol. In a similar way, if you have any glitches happen in your vehicle, you will get an error codes. Those will be identified with the help of UDS. There are other protocols as well which will be used in a similar manner. They are like LIN, FlexRay, Ethernet, and some IP protocols which are coming. Now let's get an example of how the vehicle to accessories protocols are going to use. Let's take with an example that you are driving in a vehicle and you want to connect your mobile phone with the vehicle so that when you got any calls, you can simply pick the call with the buttons allocated in the vehicle. In that conditions, you are going to connect the mobile phone using the Bluetooth to your vehicle. Now we are going to see how the vehicle telematics is going to communicate with the cloud. Let's take an vehicle which is fitted with an telematics unit. The telematics unit captures the real-time location information, the vehicle running condition, and all this data it is going to update to the cloud so that the user can able to see in his mobile apps about the current status of the vehicle, and if he wants to see what happened in the past, he can able to check the data with the help of playback options. For this, the vehicle telematics has to transmit the data to a clouds. For the transmission of the data to the cloud, it is going to use either TCP protocol or UDP protocol or MQTT or HTTPS protocol. That's all for today. In coming video, we are going to see the individual protocol explanation along with how the data format is there and how the protocol is going to be utilized by the components and what are the key components that uses these protocols and the detailed explanation of working architecture of the components.